Hi. We were expecting to get DALL-E 3 in the API update of November. And boy, did we get it. Kind of. Yes, DALL-E 3 is now available in the OpenAI API for image creation. Some features are improved, and some features remains in the DALL-E 2 level. We also know the running costs of using the API. So, what features have improved? Image creation is improved to use DALL-E 3 instead of DALL-E 2. But not only that. First, we have a new quality parameter for DALL-E 3 creations. The images I will show in this film are done in default mode, not in HD mode. And I think that's kind of enough. You can set a new HD mode for quality, and I would really like to know when is it needed. Secondly, we're talking image sizes or formats. DALL-E 2 only supported square format of 3 sizes. DALL-E 3 supports 3 sizes as well, but it is based on the 1024 format. It does 1024 squared, 1024 1792. It's kind of a 916 format. And then the other way around. 1792, 1024, 169. So these 3 formats based on 1024 is available for DALL-E 3. And we should note that the formats of 256 squared and 512 squared are limited to DALL-E 2. So, what features are remaining still in the DALL-E 2 era? Variations of an image is still only supported using DALL-E 2. And editing a portion of an image is still only supported using DALL-E 2. Now this has some consequences together with the formatting, as DALL-E 2 only supports square formats. So we can only do square formatting with edit and variations at the moment. I guess these functions will be updated in the API as time goes by, but we don't have it right now. So now, let's do a quick demo to show what DALL-E 3 is capable of. So let's do a new version of our Macintosh using Viking, but this time in the format of a 16:9 image. But let's stick to standard quality. We do this prompt. OI-D1-S 1792 1024-C, a Viking using an Apple Plus computer in Candlelight. And if we let it go, this is what we get. Huge step up from DALL-E 2 quality, in my opinion. If you like this series, do like and subscribe. Now, what about the costs of running DALL-E 3 through the API? So the creation of one image costs for DALL-E 2 at 1024 squared, 2 cents. The same size for DALL-E 3, 4 cents. And if we for DALL-E 3 use HD quality, it costs 8 cents. If we use DALL-E 3 with this new 16:9 image formats, it will cost 8 cents. And if we put an HD image on these 16:9 formats for DALL-E 3, the cost will be 12 cents an image. Now, to compare this with a Plus subscription, like I did in the last video, the Plus subscription costs $20. So if we only generate DALL-E 2 with 1024 squared images, we will get 1,000 images per month, if that is what we want. If we move on to do this 16:9 DALL-E 3 but default quality, we will get 250 images for these $20. And if we bring that up, DALL-E 3, 16:9 and HD, we will count about 166 images before we reach the $20 limit. How much will you use? This is up to you. So let's bring this back into OAI. All these image features are now released in OAI. OAI version 0.60. And if you want to know how to use variations and edit, check out the card for the last video. And you can see a link in the description on how to get the source code for OAI. And once you have that, I will walk you through how to get it installed and running on your terminal in the suggested video. Click it and I will see you there in just a second.